case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States in 1986 heard the case, California versus Ciraolo, a riveting exploration of privacy rights and law enforcement surveillance. The case centered on the question of whether one could reasonably expect privacy from aerial police observations in their own backyard. Origins of the lawsuit trace back to an anonymous tip received by the police, alleging that marijuana was being cultivated in a person's backyard. Instead of obtaining a warrant, the police opted to conduct an aerial view of the property from a plane, flying at an altitude of 1,000 feet. Following their observations, considering photos taken of the property revealing the suspicious crop, a search warrant was procured and the growing marijuana plants subsequently seized. The resident, however, was far from complacent with this breach into their privacy. They protested that the actions of the police officers were a significant violation of their Fourth Amendment rights, constituting an unwarranted trespassing and invasion of their privacy. Despite the trial court's initial dismissal of the individual's plea to suppress the evidence, upon appeal, the California Court of Appeal overthrew the initial decision. They ruled that the warrantless aerial observance did indeed infringe upon Fourth Amendment rights. The case was then propelled to the Supreme Court. Here, it was established that the police's vantage point from navigable public airspace did not encroach upon the defendant's privacy rights. The court asserted that the Fourth Amendment does not require law enforcement in public airways at 1,000 feet to obtain warrants for observations visible to the naked eye. Despite the premises of the curtilage doctrine, traditionally safeguarding the privacy of all activities within the confines of a home's immediate fenced area, the Supreme Court reasoned that the aerial observation was non-intrusive and accessible by any civilian. Therefore, the decision of the California Court of Appeal was reversed, marking a significant development in the legal view of privacy expectations under the Fourth Amendment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.